Hello everyone, welcome to PharmaRocks YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve the MCQ on a topic fluid flow. So fluid flow is the very important topic from a pharmaceutics and in a pharmaceutical engineering. So the number of questions are asked in a GPAT, NIPER, and pharmacist exam from this fluid flow section. So let's solve some most important questions from this section with proper explanation. So here is the first question for you. So question number 1, which is used for a measurement of small pressure difference in a fluid flow? So the options are option A benzene, option B mercury, option C alcohol, and option D PEG. So the material which is mainly used in a measurement of small pressure difference between the various gases, fluids, okay, in a fluid flow, and the material is option B mercury. So mercury is widely used liquid metal, okay, in a measurement of minor pressure of a various fluid, between fluid, also between the fluid and gases. Mainly they are used in a manometer, rotameter, and YouTube manometers. Okay, so mercury is the correct answer for this question. Let's solve the next question. Number 2, Reynolds number is inversely proportional to the options are option A pipe diameter, option B viscosity of fluids, option C velocity of fluids, and option D density of fluids. So you can pause the video for think about the correct answer, and the correct answer for this question is option B viscosity of fluids. So Reynolds number is inversely proportional to viscosity of fluids. So here is the formula for Reynolds number. Okay, Reynolds number Re is equal to V into D divided by gamma. Okay, so V is the velocity feet per second, D is the inside diameter in a feet, while gamma is the kinetic viscosity. So the Reynolds number is directly proportional to the diameter and velocity of fluids, okay, and inversely proportional to kinetic viscosity of that liquid. So correct answer for our this question is option B viscosity of fluid. So you must have to remember this formula of Reynolds number. So some questions also asked from this above 1, 2 and 3 figures. So laminar in a laminar flow, so Reynolds number's value is less than 2000. If there should be a unstable flow, then Reynolds number value is between 2000 to 4000, and if there is a turbulent flow, the Reynolds number's value is greater than 4000. Another important things from the Reynolds number is Reynolds number is a dimensionless. Reynolds number is a dimensionless. So this slide should be very important for you. So you can take the screenshot of this slide. So let's go for next question, number 3. Flow of fluid is flowing in a parallel straight line. This is known as option A turbulent flow, option B streamline flow, option C critical flow, and option D all of the above. So you may pause the video for think about the correct answer, and the correct answer for this question is option B streamline flow. So in the flow of fluid, so flow which is parallel in a straight line, this is known as a streamline flow. Question number 4. Fanning's equation is used to calculate the loss whether flow is viscous or turbulent. Option A fitting, option B enlargement, option C friction, and option D contraction. Okay, so the Fanning's equation useful to calculate the friction loss whether flow is viscous or turbulent. So option C is the correct answer. So the Fanning's equation is useful to calculate the friction loss, whether the flow is viscous or turbulent. Okay. So there is no any effect if the flow is viscous or turbulent. Okay. So the Fanning equation is mainly useful for the calculate the friction loss. Okay. Let's solve the next question, number 5. Pumps are not used increase one of the energies of liquid. Option A kinetic energy, option B potential energy, option C pressure energy, and option D rotational energy. So the correct answer for this question is option D, rotational energy. So pumps are not used in increase the rotational energy. While in a kinetic energy, potential energy, and pressure energy, various pumps are used in a fluid flow. While there is no any pumps are used in a increase the energy of fluid in a rotational energy. Next question, number 6. In HPLC pump, which one of the type of pump is used? The options are option A piston, option B plunger, option C turbine, and option D volute. So the correct answer for this question is option A piston. So piston type of pumps are used in a HPLC pump, which are used in a fluid flow. Here is the question number 7. Gear pump is example of option A reciprocating pump, option B miscellaneous pump, option C rotary pump, and option D none of the above. You may pause the video for think about the correct answer. And I have to say one thing that the fluid flow is the very important chapter for a GPAT point of view. So must solve the questions carefully from this section in a fluid flow chapter, and also make the revision of this chapter regularly. So the correct answer for this question is option C, rotary pump. So gear pump is an example of rotary pump. Question number 8. Water hammer problem associated with one of the following valve. The options are option A check valve, option B diaphragm valve, option C gate valve, and option D QO valve. So the correct answer for this question is option D, QO valve. Question number 9. Which of the following is known as a fluid? Options are option A always expand unit, it fills in the container. Option B cannot be subjected to shear forces. Option C cannot remain at rest under action of any shear forces. And option D practically compressible. So the correct answer for this question is option C, cannot remain at rest under action of any shear forces. So which one of the following is known as a fluid? So fluid cannot remain at rest under action of any shear forces. So if you apply the any shear forces, then there should be a must be any action on that particular fluid. Let's solve the next question, number 10. Which one of these instruments is suitable for measuring a minute pressure difference in a fluid? The options are option A diaphragm pressure gauge, option B inclined manometer, option C simple manometer, and option D U-tube differential manometer. So correct answer for this question is option B, inclined manometer. So these are the most important 10 questions we have solved here. Pharmarogs, the way of success, GPAT, NIPER, DI, pharmacist exam study material, model papers, master's notes, and rapid revision notes are available. You may contact us on 9016312020 to Mr. Amar Rawal. Thank you friends, subscribe our channel for such more educational videos related to our pharmacy profession. In next video we will solve some more important questions from this section, fluid flow. Till then, good luck, all the best for your exam preparations.